Whoa! Did I just do the Illuminati thing? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, JOSHABRAHAM. We're back. We're back. We're back. Brr. Matt bruh. Yeah, we're back. We're back with the math. What? Mathematics. Let's go. I got exam on Monday. I got work on the weekends. So literally speaking, I got 2 days tomorrow. That's it. 2 days. Can I make it with these 2 days? Let's see if I could. I just completed the organic chemistry exam, and I gotta say, it was not as easy as I thought it was. It was not as easy as I thought it was. It was not as easy as I thought it was. It was not as easy as I thought it was. Math Chem English PDF. What is this? Oh, it's the book. I want a goddamn book. I want a book. I want the question papers. $146 subs. Oh! Let's go. Oh! Daily. No, yeah, there we go. No, not this one, idiot. Idiota. Idi midis. Idi skidi midio. Something's up on the general. Logan Young. Okay. Welcome, Logan Young, to the Cracker Sub second semester Manga Fest. Math open. Oh, that's it. Do we got exams? Exam. We got exam. Hello. On Music Cyberfun Tech. Is that your music channel or something? Interesting Russian name. Russian YouTube name. Hello. Hello. I did find some question papers, but they look pretty hard. Not gonna lie, fool. They look pretty hard, fool. But not as hard. Nah, it's hard. But not as hard. But it's hard. Yo, bro, how you doing, bro? Yo, bro, I'm doing very good, bro. How you doing, bro? Bro, how's bro? Bro? It's you, the fixie guy. Yo, I'm sorry. Yo, how you doing? You changed the channel name. Damn. I don't recognize, like, when you change the channel name, it's like a new person to me. Hello, I'm Emir. Hello, Emir. Substrace Spotify. You're from Romania? Oh shit. I know some people from Romania. H2O, what? Was the what? Just a minute. I'm not seeing the chat right now. Cause I can't see the chat. Duh. Let me. Hello there. Goose H2O. My friend. Do you know Hagi footballer from Romania? No. Yeah, as I was saying, I know someone from Romania. When I worked in Amazon, yeah, I used to work in Amazon warehouse. And there was a Romanian guy who was pretty chill. He was a small guy, but he was an old, small guy, but yo, that was a chill dude. But yeah, it was like 3 or so. I live in Ireland. Roblox, YouTube, my house. Where are you coming to? You guys to come with me. So how's my bike? No. Someone stole it. Right now I have an exam on Monday, next Monday, and after that I'm gonna do some weird stuff until I get the bike. Can I get a... Oh yeah! For 10 years. 10 years what? Ireland, okay. Okay. Understand. Ireland, wait. How do they speak in Ireland? This guy's from Ireland, right? Conor McGregor. Ah, they do have a really cool accent. English, I know English, but no, they have an accent. Irish accent. Feathers? But feathers, light? Good luck with your test, man. Respect. Respecto. What are these chats? I don't even understand. What the fuck are you talking about? Where are you from? I'm from India. Ireland defeated India in cricket. Okay. So we got 6 solutions. And this is a solution from the exam. Okay. Are you Hindi or Malayalam? Yeah. That you pinpointed. I'm Malayalam. Malayali from Kerala, fam. Damn, that was a good guess. Hindi or Malayalam, that was a good guess. I mean, you could have went Telugu, you could have went Tamil, you could have went Kannada, you could have went, I don't know, Gujarat. I don't know about Gujarati, but yeah, also a good guess. Compute the following indefinite integrals. You know what? I'll start with these solved answers. Yo, W Malayalam. Alles gut? Ja, sicher. Alles wirklich. I have a friend that speak Malayalam. Okay, that makes sense. Try Notebook LM. It is way better than GPT. You know what? Let's give it a try. My parents or my mom was also like, "Yo, try Notebook LM. What? Let me know if it's good." Notebook LM. I never understood what exactly Notebook LM is. You like my hair? Appreciate that. I think I take this at a. You like my style? Oh, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. One Piece? No, come on. One Piece, come on. I never seen One Piece though. But you know what I've seen? Jaja! Ha! 私の名前はキラヨシカゲ。Oh, no, my Japanese not good. Hurrah! Hurrah! You watch Jujutsu? You should watch JoJo. Jujutsu is good, One Piece is good, but JoJo. You will have to need some resources from the app first. It can either be from your notes saved in your computers, or you can also import them from web. Ah, that's how it works? Ah. You know, let's give it a shot. Gojo is my favorite. Okay. No, no. Did I leak my email? I kinda did. But it's not like it's very. Fushiguro is nonchalant. Fushiguro. I don't remember. I really did like Maki. She was good. At least the future Maki. Get started. I will never pay money for big tech companies. I'm sorry. No. No. Can I get the free version? Do you know Shokura? Sukuna? Yeah, and based on the resources, you can generate flashcards, video summaries, and all type of shit. Shit. Okay, Wybov, I got a question. Do I need to pay? Because right now it's asking me. Right now it's saying it's €0, but after 14 days, I should pay. Is there a free version? No problem. It's free. Am I stupid? Why can't I get it? Purple. Purple diamond. What are these chats? I don't get it. What is this eco Is it downloadable? I don't understand. Get started. Oh, click. Okay, okay, got it. Okay. I subbed. Respect. Respecto. 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 Appreciate it. Get the new custom domain set up using your existing domain. I'm gonna go for custom. I'm all about that custom. Why do I have to upgrade? Let's get started. What do you mean upgrade? Why is it asking me to upgrade? Why can't I go forward? What do you mean, bro? No, no. I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna give you my card. No, 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 no. I'm sorry, Google. I know you want to make money, but no. I'm not the one. I'm loving the stream. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. Fuck, I don't get it. Am I stupid? Maybe I'm stupid. But come on, stupid people also need to make things work, right? Not everything is for intelligent people. Oh, I got the website. What's this one now? You're using dark web or what? What do you mean dark web? What? Did you know in 2022 Igoi? So oh, you got hit by a car, okay. Yeah. Shit happens. This is the interface, okay. Why am I seeing ads? Get this out of here. In December, yo. So, are you good now? "13. At when you were 13, that's what you're saying? Drop your files. Ah. Ah. You know what? I do have some question papers. Yeah, I was 6, now I'm 10. What's with the 13 then? I do have some question papers that I want to upload. But I don't know if it's gonna recognize these. I hope so. Download. 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 Oh, you got hit on December 13th, okay. But you're feeling good, okay, right now, right? It recognizes Satan's. Satan? Did you mean like picture PDF type shit? Because the question paper I have now is more like a picture. So yeah, I recovered. Okay, that's good. That's good to hear. Okay. Start typing. Oh, that's it. These documents consist of 3 mathematical examinations specifically designed for chemistry students during. What are these papers? Assesses proficiency in linear algebra, featuring problems on vector independence, matrix operation, systems of equation. Each assessment strictly prohibits the use of calculators or external study materials. Okay. These records serve as a comprehensive overview of mathematical. Okay. Can you solve these questions and let me know how I can also solve them? Mainly, I want to know the things that I should know to solve questions similar to this. Studio. You want to see the questions? Yeah, of course. You're in 12th? Yes, you should be able to. So it's the first one. Compute the following indefinite integrals. Identify a part of the integrand, use whose derivative is also percent. U equals, so you should compute with the substitution integration. Hello, brother. Yo, what's up? Hi. Hello. Yo, you're preparing for math exam? Which syllabus? I'm also preparing for math exam but for me it's like basic math. It's like university entry level math, so it's not too overcomplicated. Integration by part, sine. Polynomials, yeah, whatever, polynomials. Okay, I got a little bit of the integration, linear algebra, matrix operation, linear equations. How was your exam? Which I should say, organic chemistry was a bit harder than I thought, but thermodynamics was good. Let's see. Yo, is the answer to that first integral is 3 cos x square? I don't know. I should look up the answers. I don't know if I got the answers though. Now preparing for IOC today. What is IOC? These are easy though. Yeah. Like I said, it's like basic math, but it's been a while since I touched math, so I need to remember a lot of stuff that I've already forgotten. Integration by parts, partial fraction. Inorganic chemistry? No, I'm preparing for math today. Best of luck for your exam. Respect. EOCM Milo, you are getting the attention that you're yearning for, but I gotta say, it's not the way though. This ain't the way. Okay, how should I start? I need to see if I got the answers. I don't. Looks like I don't have the answers. Solutions. Solutions for the exercise sheet, not the exercise. I need solution for the exam paper. Yeah, okay. Okay, what was the name? Vaibhav. The answer to first question. The answer to that question is minus 1 by 3 cos x cubed plus pi plus c. That's the answer. Yo, I think that's what you got, right? That's the answer. Fuck. 200, 300. Show up the hardest question you got in this paper. I don't know. That's the thing. I wish I knew. Let's ask this one. What's the hardest question? Oh, this is the hardest one. Okay, I do have the answer. I'm gonna start with the first question paper. If I have any doubts, I'm gonna use Notebook LM. Not gonna lie, it feels weird to move from ChatGPT because I always use GPT. Not because Sam Altman paid me or anything, but I like the GPT response. That's weird. I think this could be done using the ILATE rule. I don't understand what rule is that. My lingo ain't that good. Well, mm-hmm. 600%. 700%. Keep going, brother. Okay, now I need to change the camera setup. Let's change the camera setup. 800%. Okay, bro. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pull up. I'll pull up. $900%. Okay. It is correct, right? I believe. I believe it's correct. So the assume the product has two functions, and the rule tells us how to choose functions as first or second. Like the rule is ITF, logarithm, algebraic, trigonometry, and exponential. So you're talking about the first one. First one, we consider two. We assume the product has two functions. Let me try. Let me give it a integral x squared sine x cubed plus pi dx, and I have to do what? Compute the following indefinite. So how do you solve? U equals, oh, so you assume this as a variable, and what did you do here? 3x squared dx. Du partial derivative of u equals 3x squared partial derivative of x. Then you separate partial derivative of x. Oh, okay, then you substitute this. Then you bring the 1/3 out. You got x squared cancels out. Sine of u du. Shall I explain? I mean, if you could, of course, it's good to explain, right? So we got the same angle with its partial derivative. Integrate, we get cos negative sine u. Yeah. Integral of sine is cos minus cos. Yeah. Let's see. And substitute u to here. Oh, that looks pretty easy, I guess. I don't know if I did pretty much the same way. Oh, okay. So we could eco io cv milo and derivate Substitute here. Again, x cubed plus pi. Where did you do? How did you get rid of the pi? Oh, when you derivate. Ah, that's what I missed. Okay, I get it. Okay, I'm starting to remember derivation and shit. Which year are you in? This would be my second year, but I'm still redoing my first semester. So basically, I'm a first semester's Chandu 16. Hi, you used to do chemistry, right? Well, I do have math exam coming up, so congratulations, 100 messages. That's cool. So yeah, I derivate then 3x squared plus. Am I good with math? I'm okay. I wouldn't say I'm the best with math. I have a lot to learn with math. Sin u du by 3x squared. Pom pom. Cos x cubed plus pi plus c. Okay, that was relatively easy. Let me see if I could do the next one on my own. I don't think so. Log square 6y by y dy. Can I use substitution again? I don't think so. I forgot all the logarithm formulas. Oh. No, I did not save the I think it's saved on second semester. You can also assume simply x cubed equals u, and then you will be left with sine t plus pi. Or u plus pi, that's what you mean. Inside the integral, and sine t plus pi is minus sine t. Ah, yeah. So the t part, that's u. Is that what you mean? That t should be u, right? Or am I missing something? Yeah, my bad. Oh, okay. Oh. Suddenly I was like, yo, there's more to math than I know. Okay, this one, this is base logarithm. Or natural logarithm. I Difference between base and natural. ln is natural. Okay, this one's natural. Base. Common log. Okay. Ah, this one has the base of 0. The value e. Okay. 2.718. Neon Das. Hey, bro. Yo, what's up, bro? What's good, bro? Can I substitute? I don't know if I could substitute. I need to search. I don't want to waste too much time. Where's the answers? Where's the solution? Where is solution? Where is the solution? Should be somewhere here. It should be somewhere here. Where is solution? Fuck, where is it? Oh, come on, don't make me search. Well, it's not here. It's gone. Oh, it's in the browser. Okay. Who's in the browser? My bad. So what did you do? You assumed natural log 6y as a variable, derivated it, substituted it, substitute the dy with y du, u squared by y times y cancel. Interesting. Interesting, okay. So you take you can assume log st. Okay, that's what they're also doing. They consider the natural log as a variable and derivated it. So I took it as u. Now derivate. Neon Dash. I've been trying to study for upcoming chemistry test on Sunday. You have an exam on Sunday? How? What? Yeah, I'm glad I could. I'm really glad that you started studying, but it's basically log to the base e. Yeah, like I said, I forgot a lot of things that I should know. So if you derivate natural log, how is it gonna be? I need to search up the formulas. Notes? No, I need the logarithm formula sheet. Nah, fam. I had it somewhere. Fuck, I had it. I used to have it. Oh yeah, they're common derivatives. Derivatives. Recommended to try JEE Advanced papers. Yeah, I could do the math part, but first I'll complete these questions, and after that I might look into more math questions. JEE does have really good math questions. So, natural log derivative. One by x. Ah, okay. Mm-hmm. So it would be 1 by 6y d of y. I'll do it on my own. Let me see if I could get it right. Then substitute onto dy equals du times 6y bleh integral u square by y times 6y du. Don't you get a beard, or you just clean shaved right now? Not right now, but maybe 2 days ago. Not gonna lie, I do like getting a beard, but I used to go for something different. Some sort of... The next beard I want to try is this one. It goes like this. I want to try growing that. But the thing is, I don't have patience. I don't have... Whenever I see a little bit hair on the face, it just... Oh man, it looks like dust. I gotta clean it. U square x du. I bought the 6 out. Now, x square... what's the integral of x squared dx? Super Doggy, crack your thumb. Hello from San Diego. Yo, how you doing, Super Doggy? X raised to n dx. Come on. It's integral, so... Where's the integrals? These are derivatives. How dense was your longest beard? Because I'm 16 right now. Like 16 years and maybe 5-6 months past 12, but still ain't having a beard. Yo, at 16 you're not gonna get a beard, bro. Come on. You should like to get the proper beard, if I remember, you should wait at least 20. Yeah. To get the proper beard. Maybe from 18 onwards you start seeing beard, but yeah. 23. 23 what? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. 6 times log cube two times natural log cube 6y plus c. Please be correct. One by three. Okay, where did I make the mistake? $23 is too old. Oh, the age for a beard. Oh, okay. 23 is too old. I mean, for some people, 23 is the age, but I believe from 20 onwards you could notice a good beard. At least from 20 onwards, this part connects. That's a really important connection. Maybe until then, you could have hair here, but this connection, that's important. It's not important, but it looks kind of cool though. So I missed this 6. Oh, it's a variable multiplied by y. And you bring... Okay, I need to ask this. LLM. LLM. There should be a 6 here, okay. You missed the chain rule. While your logic was on the right track, shut the fuck up. I don't care. Apply the chain rule. du by dy equals 1 by 6. F of g of x. The constant always cancels out. The integral is... No, I don't need the full answer, bro. Come on. So in the case of log, it's 1 by 6y times 6. I get it. I get it, fam. I get it. So this is 6. Ping ping. There's no 6, so there's nothing to be cancelled. Okay, okay. Okay. Compute the following indefinite integrals. Integral sine to x e raised to 3x dx. Okay, okay. How do you move? How do you move with this? Okay. This one's integration by parts. Both are indefinite integrals. Okay. How do you do integrals with integration with parts? Let me see. That's not the... There we go. So you consider the first sine 2x as one variable, and v dash, and v equals... No. V dash equals 3x. Integrate. No, derivation. Undergo derivation. U dash equals 2 cos 2x. N times c of x. No water? No water? Yo, we are 1 subscriber away from 150 subs. That's cool. That is cool. I never expected to get this many subs. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. A equals, okay. Minus 2 by 3. Why do you minus it? One by 3 sine what? Oh, the 1 by 3 from here, okay. Minus 2 by 3, where did you get? So for first part, you only interchanged the second, how do I say it? It's not a variable, polynomial part. You replace with the derivative of the second polynomial, but then you minus 2 by 3, replace the sine part with cos. IPP again. What the fuck is IPP again? This part I gotta do it again? Oh, integration by parts. Okay. IB. Yo. The weird thing is, how do I know if I should IPP this again? Is it like this could be cancelled? Minus 2 sine 2x. 1 by 3, yeah. Then you substitute the... Minus 2 by 3. The 2 by 3 common for both, okay. Minus 2 by 3. That's this 2 by 3, right? I don't get the multiplied by 2 by 3 part. You know what? Let's test what the notebook LM is able to do. Can you... Wait. Fun fact, math sucks. Sucks at. Sucks at. Hard to accept, but ultimately the truth. No, math is not that hard. If you put in hours, you should be able to understand math. That's what I feel like. For most people, I know correctly it's hard to accept. No. No! You just have to put in the hours, okay? You just gotta put in the time. Just put in the effort. And it's not sort of just math, every subject. You just need some time and you'll accept the truth. Yo. And second of all, I gotta say, math is really important. Like, the more I learn, I understand that we are using math much, like, the use of math is much higher than I ever imagined. It's not just 1 plus 1 equals 2. I am cursed by math because programming. Yeah, if you're into programming, if you're doing programming, yeah, you know, right? Some idiot thought math equals reasoning and logic. It does need reasoning and logic. It does, but it's not all reason and logic. Hey, I'm not the math major. I'm just yapping. How come I'm decent at reasoning and logic and not good at math? What does it even mean to be good at math? Leave math out of coding and programming. Nah. Nah, fam. Nah, math is always there. Not just for coding and programming, but biology. Everything involves math. Even existing involves math. God damn it. God damn it. The integration by part question from first exam. Yeah, let me see. Notebook LM got it right. Please tell me it got it wrong. I don't want to be like, oh, AI just solved it. 2 by 13. No, I don't think so. Being good at math means you're able to look at problem, yap, while write ancient language. Not gonna lie, I do have some lecture notes I written during the math class, and yo, I gotta say, after some point, I'm like, yo, what did I write? This is not English. This is not daily speaking language. It's something else. Exactly. See, yeah. But again, math is really important. Really, really important. And we gotta stop this stereotype. Math is hard. No. I can prove it's not. Oh, the stereotype on math being hard. You can prove it's hard. Yo, if you're applying that logic, we can prove everything's hard. Even breathing is hard. You never realize. What did you do here? I'm still confused. This 2 by 3 is from here, but where did you get this 2 by 3? It's 2, yes, but where the f did you get the 3? Huh? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Rocket without math, you put fuel and rocket goes boom. Goes up in the air. LOL. Yo, no way. That's it? You put fuel in the rocket? You put apple juice in the rocket and rocket goes boom? That's it? You know what? You make a compelling argument. You make a really compelling argument on math being hard. I got nothing. It's that easy. It was that easy all along. No. What are you doing, SpaceX? What are you doing, NASA? It was easy. Also, 1 plus 1 is 3. I knew it. I always knew 1 plus 1 is 3. Like, I keep on telling everyone, but nobody believes me. At least someone on the Twitch chat believes me. No, it almost got it right. Okay, took those two out there. 1 by 13, 2x, 2x. No way, got it right. Fuck. Yeah. AI did get it wrong. AI did get it right. Are we cooked, chat? It just solved the math question. Like this. What do you think of the movie Her? I never seen it. I haven't seen it, but it's about AI, right? And it's played by Joaquin Phoenix, if I understand. Yep. I haven't seen it. But falling for an AI, I know it's happening all around the world. There's a lot of people who are like, oh, AI just ChatGPT listens to everything I have to say. Every day I come back from work and I talk to ChatGPT. People are getting married to AI. It is happening. It is happening no matter you like it or not. We need to increase, we need to amp up the biological intelligence part. Come on. We can keep on falling for AI. What happened to biology? What happened to classic biology? What is this? Oh, it's the next page. Okay. You know what? I do it on my own. Do we have the integration by step? No. Hear me out. Yes. Sine to x. China is making robots that could reproduce. Here's the biology you're looking for. China is making robots that could reproduce. China is making robots. I don't know about robots. Like, yeah, robots are good, but I don't know how far robots that could reproduce go. Again, robots that reproduce don't make sense. Like, robots that could reproduce. What do you mean reproduce? Like, make themselves again? How are they gonna get the materials? How is it gonna get all the nuts and bolts? No, you can't. Is it gonna make the computer chips by itself? No. What? Maybe you could assemble. Yeah, assembly, that makes sense. But you can't make from scratch. A robot cannot make another robot from scratch, at least not for now. That's what my stupid brain is saying. Maybe China is gonna be like, well, guess what? Guess what, buddy? We are making that a reality. So you in this you did wait. Yo. Cos to x dv equals sorry, it's fake. I know it's fake. Media outlets reported that the company was developing a humanoid robot equipped with synthetic uterus, artificial amniotic fluid, and tubes carry human. Okay, so it's human fetus. It's not robot. So okay, that kind of makes sense. It's like artificial womb, right? That makes sense. Kaiva Technology clarified that its only manufactures standard humanoid service robots such as restaurant servers. The founder noted that any discussion regarding pregnancy robots referred to separate theoretical overseas project and that his works were heavily edited by media platforms. Okay, that makes more sense. A robot or an artificial womb to make human beings. That makes sense. Again, human beings, biology. It's not the robot. It's not artificial. Would you want to see it? Artificial wombs? Artificial wombs. I thought about this. I was like, okay. In the case of real pregnancy, it depends on the parents, on how it supplies nutrients and things to the baby. That's how the child is developed, and it changes according to person, right? But if it's an artificial womb, uh, the nutrients, temperature, things like that supplied to this offspring is gonna have a same variables. Like for let's just say they're gonna try they're gonna give artificial birth to 100 lambs, sheep or lamb, and those 100 lambs are gonna have same setup, right? Is it good or bad? It's reducing variability. Is it good? Is it bad? It makes how the offspring is gonna come out more predictable, but it's gonna reduce variation. I don't know, man. 1 by 3 e raised to 3x. But I would like to see how they're planning to conduct this research. Interesting. It is interesting. I'm really curious how are they planning to conduct this borderline illegal research. 1 by 3 e raised to 3x. But again, that was my point. I may have misunderstood what you said about China is making robots that could reproduce. ChatGPT solved a math problem that wasn't solved in years by some good mathematicians. Do you feel it? Do you feel the replacement? No. Nah, I don't think so. I feel like it's all. Yeah, you can get scared, but nah, I don't feel like I'm being replaced. Never. Uh, dv equals. Okay, I got this. Now I need to put this. Math is unreplaceable. Math is unreplaceable. Biology is unreplaceable. You can't just replace a entire human being. ChatGPT to make an easier replacement to math that is as effective. What do you mean replacement to math? ChatGPT is not gonna make something new. We'll see. Oh, okay. But yes, AI cannot replace biology. That's what I believe. Silicon cannot replace carbon. Again. Or let's take X and Y. No, M. That was fast though. Here's the complete replacement for classical mathematics, equally powerful, radically simple. I called it tallymatic. Forget numbers. The only objects in tally mathematics are beats in a string. Every concept is a traditional math, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, probability, maps directly onto a handful of intuitive operations you can perform with your hand or imagine in your head. That's like I forgot. There was this thing, right? It looks like a box, and it had beats, where you move the beats. I forgot the name. Back in India, there used to be a big, like, oh, your son go for that class. Oh, your daughter go for that class. I'm gonna sell this idea to investors and be rich, yo. I thought you wanna. You really want to make a difference. You need money. Absolutely right. What is money? Money is basically numbers. It is math. Schools and charities and hospitals don't fund themselves, you know. You're right. You are absolutely right. But think about it. Money is basically numbers. Oh, what? When I open my bank account, I see zero. Oh, that's a number. Stop math maxing. Yeah, I wish I could math max. I wish I could number max. Whoa, I forgot what I was doing. So sine, derivative of sine is cos. Derivative of I'm gonna derivate by parts on the cos part. The cosine part. The sine part is correct. But where did you get this 1 by 3 though? Two cos 2x, 1 by 3, yeah. You substitute the 1 by 3 part first, okay. Then you substitute. What is this formula? Why here only one part is replaced and here both are replaced and you just minus. You're gonna tell me more what ChatGPT did? 1. A unit bead. 2. A string. A flexible one-dimensional thread that can hold beads in a fixed order. Empty string, no beads noted. All quantities are simply strings of beads. Four fundamental actions, joints, A, B. Remove a substring from the end if you can. You have to supply fold A times B. Join A plus B, tie two strings end to end, cut A minus B, remove a substring from the end. You can't, if you can't, you have deficit. Fold A times B, take string A and repeat it B times. That is multiplication, but how do you... Take string A and repeat it B times. Copy it for every bead in B. Share A divided by B. So, if I understand this, the bead has a specific value. Each bead should be of certain length. How is that part? And whenever you say string A, that should have a specific number of beads in it. share A divided by B. Split string A into B equal parts by repeatedly folding, cutting until all parts match. A remainder is just unshareable leftover string. These four actions, together with the ability to name any string by tying a colored thread to it, are the entire engine. Not gonna lie, Senshi30, you're cooking up something. ChatGPT is cooking. ChatGPT is cooking. It goes to explain how it replaces everything. But wait. Division yields exact fractions as smaller and equal strings. Irrational never appear because lengths are always concrete. Any limit is just... Well, irrationals not appearing is a flaw, right? You need irrational numbers exist. I think that's where the bead comes in less helpless. Like, bead has a specific length, right? Each bead is a unit. It's like a indivisible unit. Algebra, instead of x and y, we use a loop of strings with an unknown number of beads closed like a necklace. Equations become statements of equality of string lengths. For example, x plus 2 equals 5 means a necklace x joined with 2 matches the string 5. Necklace. But this necklace does not specify the number of beads in it. It looks like a string, a closed loop of string. You solve by cutting the 2 beads from the end of the leaving, so x equals 3. Not gonna lie, it's a really interesting analogy, you could say. The necklace part. Maybe we could use it to explain how we could visualize algebra. Geometry, a shape is a string laid out in space with knots at beads. Geometry, a shape is a string laid out in space with knots at beads. Circle is a string formed into a loop with all the points equidistant from the center. Count the beads in a woven mesh. Yeah, but like I said, I feel like the best part of this beads and beads theory, I think it could explain algebra. It could help visualize algebra, because I really like the necklace analogy. That was good. Looks like I don't know how substitution works. Looks like I don't know how substitution or integration probability is a bag of strings. Each string is one possible outcome with its number of beats proportional to its chance. Random choice means pulling one string from the bag without looking. Conditional probability, you restrict the bag to only one string that contains a certain pattern. Bayes' rule is simply noticing that filtering to pattern P, then pattern Q leaves the same set of filter. I really do not understand the probability one, but you restrict the bags to only strings that contains a certain pattern. Bayes' rule is simply noticing that filtering to pattern P, then pattern Q. Error detection is visual. That's correct. But I feel like it takes a lot of space compared to, let's say a normal equation. Let's say a normal polynomial equation. But if you want to represent that normal equation in tally matrix, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be a huge, humongous structure. But that structure could explain more about how the equation handles numbers or information. Therefore, tally matrix is exactly as effective as math. Not gonna lie, I think it's a really good way to make kids visualize how numbers work. I think this is how computers basically work. I feel like this is how computers work. Why the first and the second I gotta get something. You know I love you. Fill out the right side of the formula. We need two more pieces. Du derivative of u. Oh wait. Du is derivative of u and v Integral of dv. Ah, integration by parts. I did not know the formula. Du. No, integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. V equals, no, d of v equals e raised to 3x 2 cos 2x v integral of e raised to 3x. What's the formulas? I got the formula. Tallymatics. E raised to u du. Integral is, okay, it's the g dash formula, okay. UV. Okay. Was UV, right? UV. Or is the DFX just for... In calculus, the dfx is not a variable that multiplies the whole equation. Instead, it is a notation that closes the integral. You think of the integral symbol and dfx as a pair of bookends or parentheses. Alright. Interesting. Nine plus 4, 13. Got him. Partial fractions. Compute the following indefinite integrals. How do you do this? How do you do it? A plus B. Then you multiply it together. and you get an a plus b formula. Then you do some of these things. A plus b equals 0, minus a to a minus 3b equals 1. Oh, because it should be 1. So you found the value for... how did you come up with a plus b equals 0? A by b equals... that does not give me a plus b. It could be 1 by x minus 2. But still, that's going to be... I feel like I want to do something else on this one, okay? They cancels out, okay. Shut the fuck up. No, that's gonna be 2. Nyan does. How long could you study for so long? Wait, how could you study for so long? I already got tired. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say I studied. I'm still trying to find the answer. And yeah, I wouldn't say study. Or yeah. Why am I not tired? Because I got a fucking exam. I have Thursday today and the next day, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I'm gonna be having work, so I don't know if I could practice too much. So I should do everything I can this today, I guess. But hey, it's good to take breaks. I don't get it. I don't get it. How long will I continue the stream? I mean, it's like 2, right? I think I'll go till 4 or 5. Maybe 2 more hours. Until I get hungry. Yeah, that's the threshold. I gotta look into the solution. I got till here, yeah. So you considered a plus b as 0. Which country I'm from? I'm from the South Asia. Can you guess which country I'm from? You should be able to guess, come on. I don't know where you're from, so I don't know if you could guess correct, but there used to be a name, there used to be, in my country used to be called Land of Spice. But I don't know if it's true for now. It used to be called. I look Indian. You are correct. That's that is that is a proof for how good your pattern recognition is. Okay. So this is the only way? Come on, there should be other ways. Come on, I don't wanna be a sheep. I don't wanna just blatantly follow what the solution is saying. There should be better ways. Damn, I came all the way back. Minus 5a, what? Minus 1 by 5, what? Okay, I get it. B equals minus 1, okay. Oh, that's it, okay. Okay. I have to redo this. Area between two curves. Oh. That's it. Find the intersection points. Oh. F of x minus g of x equals 0. Integral. Why are we integrating with f of x? Why is it with this curve? X cubed. 3x. Why is it 4x? Stop autocorrecting. Stop autocorrecting. I don't want you to autocorrect. Don't do that shit. You integrate this formula. Indefinite. Think. Think, boy. There are some good pens. Why am I looking at pens? Because they look good. Bro, you have a GF. Yo, no. I don't. That was a random question. Okay. That looks pretty good. Oh man, this phone is really slow. You see that? That's slow. Whoa. Now that's a slow phone. €30. Yes, I can see, yeah. God damn it, it's so slow. But hey, it's a 10-year-old phone. So, the fact that the 10-year-old phone works is amazing. I want to play Terraria, and I was thinking of getting one. But I'm gonna get the cheapest one. It's €20. Oh, that looks bad. Do we have black? That does not look good. Bro, let's do... I'm guessing maths? STH? What do you mean STH? Something. I got distracted. Okay. Complete the following indefinite integral. Compute. How do you do this one? Hamza Ali, what are you doing, man? I'm preparing for my exam, math exam. You use substitution? Integration it is. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's integration. It's a normal integration? Wait, it's 1 by sine 2x. How many exams left? I got math coming up Monday. Then I need to have an oral exam. Elimination. Elimination what? Yeah, I got math coming up on Monday. Then there's an oral exam. next week or something. I have to book a date. Fuck. Fuck. You know that sucks. What sucks? Exams? Nah. Fa. Oh, are you talking about the pen falling out of my hand? Yo, I'm a professional. I was just trying to show you how it could have been. It's not. It was intentional. I did not fall off my hand. I was like oral exams. Oh, okay. Now oral exam. I feel like oral exam is better. Maybe not. Maybe not. What did you do here? So you took. Sine 2x equals 2 times sine x cos x. That's a formula? Is that part of derivatives? Is that part of... Or is it just normal? Looks like it's normal, okay. What did you do after that? 2 sine x cos x, yeah. Cos square x, 2 sine x cos x, sine square, oh, you separated, okay. Cancel. Bro, what if I die today? What if you die today? Whoa. What if you don't? Huh. Damn, that's a serious question, brother. Bro. Bro, chill, bro. What if an big asteroid like the dinosaurs times hit on planet Earth? That could also happen. If that happens, I hope NASA blows it up. Come on. If I don't, then I suppose I would continue watching your streams from now on. Why am I making myself distracted? It is a good question, but I'll tell you. When I started streaming my studies, not gonna lie, my hours, me putting into studies actually increased. It really did. And the distraction, I feel like distractions could come in any way. This thing is a distraction. This thing is a distraction. This thing is a distraction. Everything's a distraction, not just a chat. So, yeah. It is all up here. This thing decides, should I get distracted or not? And this thing is not very good at staying focused. At least not for me. What? But that may not be your productive hours. May not be, yeah. But like I said, distractions exist in every ways. Can I join your stream? You're on the stream, if I understand. What do you mean by join my stream? To sin x? No, sin x cos. I'm confused with that formula. Sine 2x equals... My parents also asked me the same question. Yo, can you focus when you're streaming? I'm like, chill, dog. I should focus no matter what. The double angle identity. Cos 2x equals cos square x minus sine square x. Oh, these are trigonometric formulas. God damn it. Brings me back to school. I remember memorizing those. Cos by sine, right? Cos x by sine x. Tan x. How do you continue from here? Tan equals minus cot is minus natural logarithm of sine x plus c. Okay. So it should be cot Can I bring these formula sheets? Because there's a lot of formula. Sine. Cos. tan? Tan is the answer? Natural logarithm of tan? Yeah. That's the first question paper. Now, I should decide. It took me 2 hours to do the question paper. That is not good. Should I repeat this? Should I repeat this question paper again, or I'll try with the next one? I feel like I should try the next one. But before I try, I need to see. I need to see if I got the... Compute the indefinite integrals. We got the next question paper. I'll be right back. I just heard someone say, yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo. What's up, bro? Where's the mega file? Compute the following indefinite integrals. Let me see if I could do it on my own. Cos 3x sine 3x dx How do you proceed? Substitution? Substitution? Yo, bro, this looks hard. I don't know, it's more like basic math, so not that hard. It should not be hard. But yeah, it's hard for me, a little bit hard. I don't even know how to start. Substitution? If I substitute, if I say u equals bleh, if you say u equals that, d of u equals cos, oh no, yeah, cos 3x e raised to, yeah, then I substitute that, the value up here, what's it gonna show up? No. Du by 1. I'll try it. My brain is not sophisticated enough to simulate the whole math part. Which country do I live in? I live in Austria. I used to live in India, but right now I'm in a country called Austria. It's like a country. Brain not braining, yep. Brain, oh fuck. Brain not braining. So we got now I need to separate in a way that it is just the effects. If I substitute it, what do I get? Substitute it there. You live in India. Which part of India, if you don't mind me asking, though? Maharashtra. Oh, it's like, I don't think it's neighboring state, but it's nearby my place. I'm from Kerala. So, yeah. How far is Maharashtra? It's like center, right? Maharashtra is more center. Come on. Yep, it's I have to go through Karnataka to get to Maharashtra. Okay, but still neighboring states, and it's twice as big, bro. You guys have the biggest city, one of the biggest city, Mumbai. Oh, I have been to Kerala. Wow, which part of Kerala? Which part of Kerala? Keralam. They recently changed the name of the state. I don't know why, but yeah, they did. Economic capital, Mumbai. Yes. You've been to Kochi? Oh, Kochi is like the city. It's like the city of Kerala. I'm from capital, Trivandrum. I don't understand. Was DU? Do I substitute it? Even if I substitute, what difference is it gonna make? That made a lot of difference. Okay. What did you do? Oh, you took cos 3x as... I took the whole thing. Okay. Sine is cancelled. Tan 3x, cos 3x. E raised to cos 3x. Come on, there should be a way to get to the answer, not just following the solution. Mm-hmm. Let's take tan 3x as v. If we take the derivative of tan, what's gonna get? What we get? We get minus log of cosine. That's integral. I'm talking derivative. 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 Where's the derivative? Where's the Where's the sec square x? One by cos, okay. So it's sec square x Mm-hmm. du equals cos 3x. Can I get this here? Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it here? Mm-hmm. Abdullah Extreme, yo, how you doing? It's been 2 days or something. Fuck, got an exam coming up, and looks like I don't know shit. Looks like I don't know. You saw my goatee? Yeah. I really planned on I think the last time I talked to I had the I chatted with you on this. I was like I need to make another video to put together with the goatee one, right? I was planning to do that and I was like, you know what? Let's just post it. I'm too lazy to not too lazy. I was like, come on, do we have to do it? It's not like any I'm not I'm not doing any form of presentation, right? It's just me reacting to a video. Mm-hmm. Looking locked in today. I wouldn't say locked in, cause lock is not locking, bro. It's not locking. Why is it not locking? Locking? Did I say locking? Why is it not locking? Why is the lock not locking? I guess I don't have the keys, huh? Think, fam. Nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't it. Root of tan 3x. How is root of tan gonna help me out? But it's no, it's dv and dx and dv. Oh wait, whoa. dv is gonna be root 3 sec 3x. Uh-huh. 10. Yep, I'm just writing the same equation different ways. Not useful. But how if I convert the sec and everything back to normal? Oh, it was cube. It was cube. Makes sense now. Dx, okay. I'm just converting it back and forth. Come on. It's the same thing. This one's same as this one. So it's not a big difference. Devoto did. Yo, what's up? Devoto did for checking out the stream. Hello. Hello. It is a simple math, but come on. There should be a way. sine by cos, sine by cos, It's not it. This ain't it. God damn it. What am I doing? Six, ten. Wait. Cancels and cos sine. This 1 by c goes up. Sine square, cos square. It's just a two-step answer. Oh no, you don't. I'm gonna start over. Come on. E raised to cos 3x sine 3x. What did I take as u? E raised to cos 3x. Okay. I'm gonna do exactly what I did. Cos 3x. That's not possible. Should be a 3. There should be a 3 here. Why is the notebook LLM not working now? Hi Josh. Someone wrote hi Josh. Devoto did. Hi Josh. Hello. 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 Hello, Devoto did. Appreciate you for checking out the stream. -3. Oh, yeah, got it. Okay. 1 by minus 3 u plus c. U is... Yep. Shut the fuck up. That's good. It took me like 30-40 minutes, but hey, I didn't follow this way. I followed my way. That's my way. It's my way. It's my way. What's the next one? Integral to x e raised to x squared. Oh fuck. E raised to x squared. Ooh. Minus 5 dx. I'm guessing that's again one of them substitution, but this time I'm gonna play it safe. So I'm gonna do the exact thing I did before. X squared minus 5 du equals... minus 5. Hugo, yo, you back? I think your ban period is over. Do you feel better? Do you feel like a new human being or something? If I'm doing derivatives. Chain rule, right? Fun. It's correct. But these are really easy questions, I guess. Partial, okay. IBP, integration by parts. Okay, I'm starting to feel hungry, not gonna lie, fam. I'm gonna be ending this video. Peace out, YouTube. Be back.